The equation we were given was the reaction of 4.25 grams of Cl2 with 2.20 grams of P4 produces 4.28 grams of PCl5. Our objectives were: what is the limiting reactant, what is the percent yield, and what kind of reaction is this? The first step to solving the equation is to balance it. It ends up being 10Cl2 plus P4 converts to 4PCl5. To determine the limiting reactant, we have to turn Cl2 and P4 into moles of PCl5, and whatever has the least amount of moles is the limiting reactant. To determine the limiting reactants, we have to turn the reactants into moles of the product. Whichever has the least amount of moles is the limiting reactant. To do this, we have to divide the reactant by its molar mass, then multiply that by the molar ratio. There are 4.25 grams of Cl2. Cl2's molar mass is 70.9 grams. For every 10 moles of Cl2, there are 4 moles of PCl5, making the molar ratio 4/10. So we take 4.25 grams of Cl2 times 1 mole over 70.9 grams times 4/10, and that gives us 0.0239 moles of PCl5, rounding to 3 significant figures. There are 2.20 grams of P4. Its molar mass is 123.88 grams. For every 1 mole of P4, there are 4 moles of PCl5. So we take 2.20 times 1 mole over 123.88 times 4/1, and that gives us 0.07105 moles of PCl5, rounding to 3 significant figures. As there are less moles of Cl2, Cl2 is our limiting reactant. To find percent yield, you take experimental yield over theoretical yield. To find theoretical yield, we have to convert 0.0239 moles of PCl5 into grams of PCl5. We do this by multiplying the moles by the molar mass. The molar mass of PCl5 is 208.22 grams. Take 0.0239 times 208.22, and the theoretical yield is 4.99 grams of PCl5, rounded by 3 sig figs. The experimental yield given to us is 4.28 grams. Our theoretical yield was 4.99 grams. So we take 4.28 divided by 4.99 and multiply that by 100 to turn it into percent, which equals 85.8%. The third question was, what kind of reaction is this? There are 5 types of reactions, but this one is a synthesis reaction. A plus B equals AB. As you can see, Cl2 plus P4 converts to PCl5.